notice that.
What a kick. काफी aggressive चैतन्य.
He's going to add up at the end of the fight. Oh, nice. Another leg kick.
Let's move on to the main card, which is a featherweight bout between Krishna Heer taking on nobody else but then the first pro fighter from Sasaram, Bihar, Shamanand.
All right, I'm excited for this fight. Both these fighters are really heavy hitters. Yeah, I just noticed that.
What a
The
kick.
southpaw.
बहुत बढ़िया किक शामानंद की तरफ से.
Being a southpaw gives you a little bit of an advantage over an orthodox fighter with your right hand on the middle.
बेहतरीन नी स्ट्राइक और उसके बाद पंचेस. कृष्णा हीर बार-बार वापस क्लिंच में लेने का काम कर रहे हैं शामानंद को.
A little tired, he's backing up.
शामानंद के पंचेस.
Oh, nice straight. Both these
क्या
fighters
बात
swinging.
है.
Shamanand taking in those short elbows, punches. What Krishna needs to do is, he needs to reverse and get out of the position. However, he's pinned down really hard by Shamanand. Another big right hand here.
कृष्णा की हालत हर सेकंड बिगड़ती हुई नजर आ रही है.
Well, that's what was written in the keys to victory. He better enjoy the slap fest, and I think he is doing it. Big hammer fist here by Shamanand. As I said, Shamanand can
खत्म हो सकती है.
walk the walk, talk the
बस
talk.
खत्म हो सकती
That's
है.
it.
और हो गई.
That's
रेफरी
it.
डैनियल आइजैक ने कह दिया बस. और शामानंद ने अपनी जीत हासिल करी है यहाँ MFN 8 में.
See here, Shamanand.
ये देखिए
Look at the
राहुल
way.
एल्बोज मार रहे हैं और यहाँ कृष्णा ने बस कवर कर रखा है. एक और एल्बो, एक पंच और रेफरी डैनियल आइजैक ने फाइट को रोक दिया.
Manan, the man you see here, he's made a comeback at Matrix Fight Night. He lost to Sanjeet Budwar, however, he never gave up. Look at the way he's demolishing his opponent. As I said, he can walk the walk and talk the talk. He's given a big response. He's given a big reply to Krishna Heer here.
अब हम देखते हैं अगली फाइट. MMA के वेटरन, एक तरफ अंगद बिष्ट और दूसरी तरफ चैतन्य गवानी.
Two veteran fighters here. Matrix Fight Night. Let's test some gloves. Maybe not. All right.
बढ़िया
Nice
लेग किक
Start off and a
और
return, a counter.
जवाब में अंगद भी.
Nice inside leg kick. Nice combination. Straight hand. Ooh, a nice 1-2.
काफी अग्रेसिव चैतन्य.
Nice body shot from Chaitanya. He's definitely, ooh, nice hook from Angad. These guys going back and forth. I like the way Chaitanya's going up to the top, then to the body. Leg kicks, he's mixing it up nice and easy.
चैतन्य की स्ट्राइकिंग में डेफिनेटली जेसन बहुत फर्क नजर आ रहा है.
Oh yeah, he's worked a lot. You can see nice body kick. Angad goes for a takedown with a single leg, takes him down. Nice scramble. Still got a hold of him. They spin.
क्या डिफेंस है. बहुत ही बढ़िया. अंगद ने टेक डाउन लिया लेकिन फटाफट चैतन्य वापस अपने पैरों पे आ खड़े हुए.
Nice body shot by Chaitanya. He's setting it up beautifully. Nice leg kick. Nice combo.
Hard punches.
Hey, I take my words back. Chaitanya is making me eat my words right now. His striking has improved like dramatically, bro.
और हमने ग्रैपलिंग में भी देखा जेसन नीचे जाते ही 1 सेकंड में ऊपर आ गए वो.
And he seems a lot more confident. I think that loss gave him a new fire. Good takedown.
जेसन ये बिल्कुल ही नए चैतन्य नजर आ रहे हैं. जो लास्ट टाइम हमने इनको देखा था मुझे लग रहा है मैं किसी और फाइटर को देख रहा हूँ. बहुत काम किया है इन्होंने.
Absolutely.
बिल्कुल अंगद बिष्ट काफी मजबूत फाइटर हैं और 1-2 पंचेस से या 1-2 टेकडाउन से उन्हें ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. और अंगद भी अब वापस स्ट्राइक्स मारते हुए. क्या बात है. वो लेफ्ट हुक लैंड किया.
That combination's been working over and over again all night from him, and another good body shot. Those body
right
shots
hook.
are going to add up at the end of the fight. He's in zone. Ooh, nice jab. Timed that perfectly and followed up by a nice 1-2 combo. To his own. Ooh, nice jab. Timed that perfectly and followed up by a nice 1-2 combo.
कमाल की स्ट्राइकिंग. वाओ. hard punch.
And
खत्म.
it looks like Angad just needs to keep. It
Yeah.
looks like a flash knockout. That's what it was. It was a flash knockout, but he's back on his feet. It's happened to me before. You go out for a second, but you're right back in it. Yeah, Angad just needs to play it cool, keep that position.
Oh,
No, it's not in yet. It's not tight enough.
it's very close.
It's not under the chin yet. Doesn't look like it's. Now it's tight. Now he's got it. There it is. And just like that, the fight is over. In an exchange, Angad got the better in the exchange. Knocked down Chaitanya.
अंगद का कुछ पता नहीं, एक ही सेकंड में पूरी फाइट वो पलट सकते हैं.
Let's look at the replays now. Angad got a nice single leg, takes it down, but scrambles. Chaitanya scrambles, gets out of it, gets back to his feet. Here's a nice 1-2 combo. Here's a nice takedown, rushes him straight to the fence. Another combo. Ooh, look at that. A 1-2 combo to the takedown, another take, and look at this. Lifts him up, takes it up, but Angad not going all the way down, staying in there.
ये देखिए, यहाँ पे पंचेस लगे और ये अपरकट था.
It was a next clean left hook that caught him straight on the chin and took him straight down. And Angad just kept the pressure, worked it, got the hook in, got the elbow under the chin. That's the most important. And then it's all she wrote. Good night.
चैतन्य ने कोशिश करी डिफेंड करने की, लेकिन वो पंच का असर और उसके बाद अंगद की ग्रैपलिंग, इस कॉम्बिनेशन के आगे चैतन्य ढेर हो गए. नेक्स्ट फाइट इज लेजेंडरी. इट्स ध्रुव चौधरी वर्सेस संजीव बुधवार.
It's actually a rematch, and Dhruv is here for a revenge. I'm sure he's here to deliver what he couldn't. Oh, what a kick!
एक ही किक ने संजीत को गिरा दिया. क्या बात है.
Exactly, and that is going to get. Oh, another one!
बहुत
throws a
टाइम किया.
big right hand.
टाइमिंग राहुल.
What we've been watching, what we've been. Oh, another one!
Power, full power. Look at that. With every shot they're looking for the kill.
What a body lock takedown, man! That's so. Those punches are definitely doing the damage.
बहुत बढ़िया स्ट्राइकिंग, बहुत बढ़िया. सबसे बढ़िया चीज जो ध्रुव यहाँ कर रहे हैं कि वो अपनी ग्रैपलिंग और स्ट्राइकिंग को परफेक्टली मिक्स कर रहे हैं. कोई भी ऐसा सेकंड नहीं होता जब ध्रुव मार नहीं रहे हो.
Pure will. And that's exactly what. Well done, Sandeep. That's what he needed to do. Now he's on top.
खतरनाक लग रहे हैं संजीव बुधवार. ध्रुव काफी कमजोर लग रहे हैं. ये फाइट क्या खत्म हो जाएगी? क्या ये फाइट क्या खत्म हो जाएगी?
Yes!
Yes!
Ladies and gentlemen.
ये फाइट क्या खत्म होती है?
Fire here. Let's look at the action replay. Sanjeet drops Dhruv. And Dhruv charging in with those knees. Takes him down. Throws another knee. Takes him down again. And this is exactly the position where he could have finished. However, as I said, Sanjeet is tenacious on the ground. He managed to escape out of the position.
और ये देखिए संजीत ने उस पोजीशन को रिवर्स किया. उसके बाद एक बार वो ध्रुव चौधरी को
Those heavy hammer punches, they pack in a dynamite. He's dropping those atom bombs here.
राहुल, जब दूसरा राउंड शुरू हुआ था तभी से ध्रुव काफी कमजोर लग रहे थे और उसके बाद बस संजीत ने मौका देखा और फाइट को खत्म कर दिया. आज हम आ गए हैं अपने मेन इवेंट के पास. कुछ ही सेकंडों में मेन इवेंट शुरू होगा, जहां एक तरफ हैं अफगानिस्तान के अब्दुल बदाख्शी और दूसरी तरफ है ब्राजील के फेब्रिशियो ओलिवेरा.
And they're off. Touch of the gloves. Final. Let's go, baby. Main event.
पिच बहुत लंबी है तो उनकी अपनी स्ट्राइकिंग है. ओह, बहुत बढ़िया पंचेस.
Good shot. Oh, nice head
Oh,
kick.
that head kick landed.
He's doing a good job with those leg kicks. Oh, nice. Another leg kick. A good exchange. He gets caught, though.
Wow.
The
But he
Brazilian needs to
immediately
slow
fires
down.
back.
Be careful, man. And that's not where you want to be with Abdul, man. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful.
And look at that, Jason. Abdul is on top.
The ref better say something. Abdul's holding the gloves with his left hand. The ref is not saying anything. He's holding
Good
the gloves.
punches. Good MMA. Whoa!
Yeah, but with
were
those
hard
ground and
shots.
pounds in a dominant position now.
Oh, look at those punches. Look at those punches. This is a clear victory, Jason. This is
Nice knee.
whoa! What a knee.
Fabricio's firing back, though.
Fabricio, look at this. both the fighters exchanging hard punches and fantastic takedown defense.
Yeah, Fabricio's driving it hard and heavy, getting nice and low. And as you can see, if you look at the replay, right? Nice shot. He gets
Look
caught
at
in that
that.
exchange. Now watch here. Nice overhook, underhook, takes him down, pounding those shots.
Jason, my attention is more on the punches that are landing in every fight, happens in the UFC. But look at the way he's dominating.
Man, those short strikes are devastating. Much respect to Fabricio as well for putting up a show here at the main event.
पूरी फाइट में फेब्रिशियो ने बहुत कोशिश किया अब्दुल को टेक डाउन लेने का, बहुत कोशिश किया ब्राजीलियन जिजित्सु को यूज करने का, लेकिन बार बार हमने देखा अब्दुल ने उनके सारे ही अटेम्प्ट्स को रोका और अपनी स्ट्राइकिंग से इस फाइट को जीत लिया.
Tonight, Fabricio Oliveira has earned a lot of respect from all the fans from Afghanistan and India.